Well, bears do that
Yeah.
sometimes. Bears,
That's
especially when what time of the year was it?
it was winter
Winter.
because you listen to the wind. It's like it sounds like a train coming. You have to
Hmm.
determine where the wind is coming from and like get like on a tree or something because a lot of the icicles are coming like darts. and
Oh
shit like that.
wow,
Yeah.
Jesus.
And that night we were joking. I was joking around about it and everything. And one of the officers says, this is a facility, and we don't. Heard you're a comedian. We don't make. Basically, you can't go on stage and go, hey, guess where I was at? So I was just in the joke. I'm just camping, and we